English Attack!
Far beyond the word forest, there was a cursed land, the Shadow Frontier, and deep within its caves, something terrible was waiting. Lexo entered the Shadow Cave. The Shadow Monster appears. Lexo thought he was ready. He tried attacking the monster using English magic, but his English magic was far too weak. The silent shadow was too powerful. Lexo ran, not because he was a coward, but because the silent shadow was not an ordinary monster. He was the ruler of the Shadow Frontier, and no one could defeat him without mastering the ancient English spells. But Lexo had mastered none of them, so as the darkness chased him, there was only one thing left to do: run. But hidden deep within the mountains, there was another cave, a place whispered about in ancient legends, the Cave of Guidance.
Hello? Master? Ancient Spirit? Hello?
The Cave of Guidance felt abandoned, empty, forgotten. Maybe the legends were not real.
Pathetic. That unstable little spark is what you call English magic? Such weak magic, and you challenged the Shadow Monster? Foolish little dragon, your resonance is unstable. Your spells are incomplete. You would not survive another battle.
Please, teach me. I want to master English magic. I want to become strong enough to challenge the Shadow Monster again.
Training here is not easy. Many begin, few survive the resonance. The ancient spells demand discipline, pain, focus, and absolute commitment. If you fail, the Shadow Monster will destroy you. Do you still wish to train?
I do, no matter how hard the training becomes. I will master English magic, I promise.
Very well. From this moment, you are my disciple.
But the master was not alone. Long ago, another disciple trained in this cave, a magical spirit creature named LinLin.
What is that? LinLin!
My first disciple. Unlike you, she survived her training.
LinLin!
LinLin mastered the ancient resonance arts, and now she will assist your training.
For the first time since his defeat, Lexo no longer felt alone. And for the first time, the Cave of Guidance was alive again. A new disciple had arrived, and deep within the mountains, the ancient resonance had awakened once more.
Rest now, little dragon. Your real training begins next time.
Yippee! Next mission, the first spell.